1. Information emerges as a result of a dash process wherein raw dash. 2. The differentiation between data and dash necessitates a profound understanding of the dash surrounding the collected facts. 3. The dash hierarchy serves as a conceptual framework illustrating the hierarchical progression from raw dash to actionable insights. 4. Data's pervasive influence on daily life extends across various dash ranging from personal interactions to dash economic activities. 5. The Dikov hierarchy elucidates the evolutionary dash of data as it progresses from raw dash to applied knowledge.